Commercial air travel has become quite frustrating, isn't it? It's not a privilege anymore unless you're traveling business or first class. The reason being, it is expensive to operate not just an aircraft but manage this entire complex ecosystem. One way of reducing cost is through fleet planning. Operating an aircraft is what brings revenue and drives cost, so the airlines decide to choose the best, in other words, the most efficient. This requirement prompts major aircraft manufacturers like Boeing and Airbus to develop newer models and gain market share. Boeing 777x, the latest highly efficient long-range twin-engine jet that made its first flight on January 25th this year. A substantial amount of efficiency comes from its unique and most talked about feature, the foldable wingtips. This component is extended before takeoff and retracted just after touchdown. So let's unfold this innovative feature and the purpose behind its inclusion. We are all aware of the aerodynamic principle lift by which an airplane flies. Here is a cross-section of a wing, better known as an aerofoil. Lift is generated due to the pressure difference between the upper and the lower surfaces of the wing. The wingspan of the 777X is 235 feet and 5 inches when extended and 212 feet and 8 inches when retracted. This wingspan is same as that of its older sibling, the Boeing 777. Thus, it can cruise efficiently with a wingspan of 235 feet, generating greater lift, higher payload capacity and range. Boeing claims that operating a 777X can bring 10% reduction in areas of fuel usage, cost and emissions, making it a sustainable choice. So, to understand the influence of a larger wingspan, let's commission a glider to visually review the aerodynamic principle. A glider is a distinguished category of aircraft capable of flying a considerable distance with just an initial propulsion. It does not require any power source while in flight, unlike the traditional aircrafts. Made with lightweight materials and designed for increased aerodynamic performance, it leverages wind conditions to enhance flight characteristics. But notice the large wingspan permitting airflow over a large area. This always keeps the aircraft afloat, providing greater lift and stability. The wingspan is the most crucial part of the design that makes the glider do what it's supposed to, even in the absence of a power supply. A commercial aircraft can simply be termed as a sophisticated glider with an ability to glide for a brief period in an unlikely scenario when all its engines fail. Unlike the A380's wingspan of 262 feet that required large-scale infrastructural changes upon its induction, the 777X can be accommodated at all airports or gates, as this mechanism will shorten its wingspan while on the ground. High operating costs and profitability models in aviation is what caused a few exceptional aircrafts to be retired. One such aircraft that deserves a mention here is the quad-jet Airbus A340. I think the A380, better known as the Queen of Skies, will soon enter this wake as we have more advanced jets like the A350, 787 and now the 777X. Not just myself, but I'm sure the entire aviation community will root for Boeing and its breakthrough that has perhaps helped it recover from the 737 MAX stall. Either way, it's quite unfortunate to see the entire world plunge into distress due to the COVID-19 crisis that has noticeably put aviation into a nosedive. I hope you're all doing good out there, take care and stay safe. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, leave your comments below and stay tuned for more.